Hello to Tuesday Tea Time with me, Hanni Berger. I am the founder of JOYVIAL and super passionate about helping you really feel physically vibrant, focused, and joyful. And so every Tuesday I get to introduce to you one of my favorite teas. Coffee is my thing, although it smells awesome. I think I would have a heart attack if I had just a second sip of coffee. And so I love teas. And Katie, who does a phenomenal job with all of our social media, asks me every week another question. And so this week she asked me, how do you make time to plan? And before I get there, I gotta tell you about my favorite tea. So this week I wanna introduce to you to peppermint. So simple, right? So again, I'm not associated with any brand, but I love this peppermint tea. And peppermint in general is really good for our digestion, for anybody who has IBS, but also if you have colds or coughs, is really, really good. Muscle tension, headache. So peppermint, besides giving an awesome breath, can be good for many things. So yes, I will be enjoying my cup of tea. And so the question, as we said, was how do I plan, how to make time for planning? And so I have a pretty solid routine. On the business side, every Friday afternoon, I ask myself what is important for next week. I look at my entire year's plan and I write on my whiteboard what's important, as in I want to make progress on it. Then there's another column as to what's urgent, stuff that just kind of has to get done, and then things that I'm hoping to get to later. And so I do that every Friday afternoon for the full week, and by Monday morning I come in and know exactly what to do. On the personal side, I have learned to do it completely differently. I used to be so structured in my personal time. And yes, I still plan for big events, for vacations, for concerts, and things that I want to create memories for the year. But when I get to the weekend, even my Friday evenings or my evenings, I try to really not plan a lot. My goal is as much on the weekend to follow my intuition, to really go with the flow and enjoy where my heart wants to take me. Don't get me wrong, we all have responsibilities, but not all of them are always as crucial as we make them out to be. So somehow everything does get done, but maybe not in the initial timeline that I thought it would. And so I just really enjoy of looking at my list and saying, what is it that I want to do next? And if there's something that's not on the list that my heart is pulling me to, then I'll try to do that too. So that's how I plan, both for business and personal. But now I really want to enjoy my peppermint tea. So bye.